Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video I will show you how to fix laptop screen locking then shuts off and not turn on your PC. So for this guys I will show you simple and easy method. Just go to start and open the settings. Click on it. Now in the settings guys you click on accounts. In the accounts you click on sign in option. Windows Hello security key password and dynamic lock. Click on it. Scroll down. Click on dynamic lock. Automatically lock your device when you are away. You click here and finally as you can see here allow Windows to automatically lock your device when you are away. You make sure you uncheck this option. You uncheck this option and after this guys you restart your device. Hopefully it will fix your problem. So this is the simple and easy way to fix this issue. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.